Do you want to wow your guests this holiday season with a show-stopping centerpiece? Smoking a turkey isn't just about cooking. It's about crafting a rich, flavorful experience everyone will remember. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to smoke the perfect turkey, from choosing the right bird to carving and serving it with confidence. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. We're here to help you host better with simple steps, stunning results, and unforgettable flavors. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments if smoked turkey is on your holiday menu this year. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about choosing the right turkey. You'll want a bird that's around 10 to 14 pounds. That size allows the turkey to smoke evenly and helps avoid drying out the outer meat before the inside finishes cooking. If you're expecting a big crowd, it's often better to smoke 2 smaller turkeys instead of 1 oversized bird, which can take longer and be more challenging to cook safely and evenly. Now, when deciding between fresh or frozen, either one works, but if you go with frozen, make sure to give it enough time to thaw in the refrigerator. You'll need about 24 hours of fridge time for every 4 to 5 pounds of turkey, so a 12-pound bird will take about 3 full days to thaw completely. Never thaw your turkey on the countertop. It might seem faster, but it creates the perfect environment for bacteria to grow. Once thawed, reach into both the main cavity and the neck area to remove the giblets and neck. These are often tucked away in a small bag inside the bird. You can use them to make gravy or stock, or just toss them if you're not planning to use them. Then rinse the cavity lightly, pat the bird dry with paper towels, and you're ready to start seasoning and prepping for flavor. Next up, let's talk about prepping your turkey with brining and seasoning. Brining is a game changer when it comes to both flavor and moisture. A wet brine involves soaking your turkey in a saltwater solution with sugar and herbs. This helps the meat absorb moisture and retain it throughout the long smoking process. If you want something a little less messy, a dry brine is an excellent option. It's just a salt and sugar rub that draws out the moisture and then pulls it back in, along with all that delicious seasoning. Whichever method you choose, make sure to let your turkey brine for at least 12 to 24 hours. The longer you let it soak, the better the flavor will be. Even just a few hours makes a noticeable difference. After the brining process, be sure to dry the skin thoroughly. This is the secret to getting that golden, crispy finish. For extra crispiness, you can even air dry your turkey in the fridge overnight. Just make sure it's uncovered so moisture evaporates properly. Once dried, coat the turkey in butter or oil to help the seasoning stick and promote that golden skin we all love. Then rub in a mix of spices like paprika, garlic powder, rosemary, and thyme. If you're feeling creative, add a little cayenne pepper for a subtle kick or brown sugar for a smoky, sweet finish. At this point, your turkey is fully prepped and ready for the smoker. Now let's talk smokers. The type of smoker you use makes a big difference in the cooking experience. Pellet smokers are great for beginners because they offer precise temperature control and are easy to use. You load up wood pellets, set your temperature, and let the smoker do its thing. Electric smokers are also beginner-friendly and offer consistent temperatures with very little effort, though they don't always deliver the deep, smoky flavor that some people crave. If you're after bold, authentic flavor and you don't mind a little extra work, charcoal smokers are the way to go. They require more attention, especially when it comes to managing heat, but they deliver that classic smoky profile. If you're a more experienced smoker and want full control over smoke and heat, an offset smoker is your best friend. It takes effort, but it rewards you with a deeply complex flavor that's hard to beat. The type of wood you choose also matters. Applewood is a go-to for turkey because it offers a mild, sweet flavor that won't overwhelm the meat. Cherrywood brings a fruity touch with a subtle sweetness. If you like bold smoke, hickory delivers a strong, rich taste, but be careful not to overdo it, as it can overpower the turkey's natural flavor. Once your smoker is selected and your wood is ready, it's time to control the temperature. Set your smoker between 225 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is perfect for slowly cooking the bird while letting it absorb all those rich, smoky notes. Use a meat thermometer to monitor the internal temperature and make sure your turkey reaches 165 degrees in the breast and 175 in the thigh. This ensures it's cooked thoroughly, juicy, and safe to eat. Now let's dive into the actual smoking process. Once your smoker is preheated and the turkey is seasoned and ready to go, place the bird breast side up on the smoker's grate. This allows the heat to circulate evenly and helps keep the breast meat from drying out too quickly. Underneath, place a drip pan to catch the juices and prevent flare-ups. If you want to add another layer of flavor, toss some onions, garlic, or herbs into the drip pan. They'll infuse your bird with extra aromatic goodness as the turkey smokes. During the smoking process, you can spritz the bird with apple juice or broth every 45 to 60 minutes. This helps maintain moisture and adds more flavor. If you prefer basting, use a mixture of melted butter or oil. Either method can give you a beautiful golden skin, but remember, every time you open the smoker, you lose heat, so keep it to a minimum. More than anything else, what matters most is monitoring internal temperature. You want to check the thickest parts of the breast and thigh to ensure your turkey reaches the right temps, 165 for the breast and 175 for the thigh. This gives you a fully cooked, tender bird without drying it out. As for timing, you'll need to smoke your turkey for about 30 to 40 minutes per pound. A 12-pound turkey will take roughly 6 to 8 hours. Smoking is a slow process, but trust me, the end result is worth every second. Now, once your turkey is smoked to perfection, don't rush to carve it right away. Let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes, loosely tented with foil. This helps the juices redistribute evenly throughout the meat, keeping every slice juicy and flavorful. If you skip this step, the juices will run out when you carve, and you'll be left with dry meat. When you're ready to carve, use a sharp knife for clean, precise cuts. Start with the legs and thighs by cutting through the joints, then move on to the breast meat, slicing down along the breastbone. For best texture and presentation, cut against the grain. Arrange the slices neatly on a platter, and if you want to impress your guests, garnish with fresh herbs, citrus wedges, or some of those roasted aromatics from the drip pan. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to help you take your smoked turkey to the next level. Try placing a water pan in your smoker. It helps keep the environment moist, especially during long smoking sessions. You can even add wine, herbs, or fruit slices to the water for a subtle flavor infusion. Skip stuffing the bird, as it can lead to uneven cooking and potential food safety risks. Instead, prepare your stuffing or dressing in a separate casserole dish so you know everything is cooked properly and safely. And finally, if you're prepping for a big gathering and want to save time, consider smoking your turkey the day before. Once it's done, let it cool completely, refrigerate it, and reheat gently in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, covered with foil. This method keeps the meat moist and flavorful while giving you more time to focus on guests or other dishes on the big day. And there you have it, your complete guide to smoking the perfect turkey. From choosing the bird to carving the final slice, every step is about bringing unforgettable flavor to the table. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, subscribe for more hosting and kitchen tips, and let us know in the comments what wood flavor you are planning to use for your smoked turkey. Thanks for watching. This is Kitchen to Entertain, where great food and great gatherings come together. Happy grilling or smoking.